Are you ready to unlock the hidden potential of your mind and embark on a transformative journey to become the best version of yourself? In today's video, we're delving deep into the secrets of mental glow-up for guys. Get ready to boost your confidence, embrace self-improvement, and radiate charisma as we uncover the keys to a dazzling mental glow-up that will leave you feeling unstoppable. For those who may not be familiar, a glow-up refers to a process of personal transformation and self-improvement where individuals work on enhancing their appearance, confidence, and overall lifestyle. It signifies a journey of positive change and self-expression that results in a noticeable and significant improvement. The goal is to become a more attractive and impressive version of oneself, which is valuable not only in the context of attracting women, but also for achieving success in various aspects of life. Now let's talk about how to glow up. Tip number 1. Enhance your clothing style and appearance. Glowing up isn't just about self-improvement, but also about how you present yourself to the world. Your appearance plays a significant role in attracting attention, and upgrading your style can be a game changer. Your choice of clothing can have an immediate impact on how people perceive you, so pay attention to details when creating your new look. If you aim to attract those with refined tastes, consider incorporating name brands into your wardrobe. Tip number 2. Prioritize your physical health and fitness. Physical fitness is a crucial aspect of a male glow-up. Women are often attracted to men who appear to take care of their bodies and invest time in their physical well-being. Therefore, prioritizing fitness can be a key component of your transformation. Engage in exercises that improve your strength, stamina, and overall health. This not only enhances your physical appearance, but also contributes to a healthier lifestyle. Tip number 3. Embrace good hygiene and grooming. Proper grooming and hygiene are essential for any successful glow-up. Ensure that you maintain good grooming practices, which include regular showers, brushing your teeth, and keeping your facial hair in check. Neglecting these aspects can undermine your overall transformation. Tip number 4. Cultivate confidence. Building confidence is a crucial step in a male glow-up. Confidence allows you to overcome obstacles, embrace your uniqueness, and embark on a journey of self-improvement. Confidence is attractive to women because it is a genuine quality that cannot be faked. A confident demeanor can have a magnetic effect, making you more appealing. Tip number 5. Enhance your mental well-being. Improving your mental health and well-being is paramount in your glow-up journey. Mental health has a profound impact on your overall demeanor and appearance. Addressing mental issues, such as low self-esteem and negative thought patterns, can have a transformative effect on how you present yourself to the world. A positive mental state can lead to better posture, eye contact, and overall confidence, making you more appealing to others. Tip number 6. Hone social skills and communication. Refining your social skills and communication is essential in a glow-up. Effective communication is key to establishing connections and creating a positive impression. Confidence in social interactions can set you apart as someone approachable and engaging. Tip number 7. Invest in education and personal development. Continual learning and personal growth are integral to self-improvement. Make it a priority to expand your knowledge and skills through reading, workshops, and other educational opportunities. Being knowledgeable and well-rounded is an attractive quality that can enhance your glow-up. Tip number 8. Prioritize quality sleep. Adequate and restorative sleep is crucial to your well-being and appearance. Ensure that you get enough quality sleep, as it impacts your energy levels, presence, and overall vitality. Address any potential sleep issues, such as sleep apnea or an uncomfortable mattress, to improve the quality of your rest. Tip number 9. Set realistic goals and plan. Creating clear and achievable goals is a vital step in your glow-up journey. Set specific objectives and create a plan to track your progress. This will help you stay motivated and focused on your path to self-improvement. Tip number 10. Embrace individuality and authenticity. One of the most important qualities shared by those who glow up is their ability to embrace their individuality and authenticity. Avoid comparing yourself to others and instead focus on your unique qualities. Authenticity is attractive, and staying true to yourself is a powerful aspect of personal growth. As we wrap up this transformative journey on how to glow up mentally, gentlemen, remember that the most compelling transformation happens within. Your mental glow-up is not just about looking confident, it's about feeling empowered, resilient, and unstoppable. If you found our video informative, kindly subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on our videos.